Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Today we are going to unbox not one American Influencer Beauty Bundle, but two. Because I didn't unbox the first one. So a little bit about American Influencer, if you don't know what it is, it's a bi-monthly subscription. It's $34. The value is over $100. For every box that they sell, they donate $1 to City of Hope Cancer Research, which is pretty awesome. So bi-monthly, the first box that I'm going to show you is the February-March box, and then we'll do the April-May. And I'm sure by now that there have been a lot of unboxings for the February-March box. You've probably already seen it, but you haven't seen it Leanna style. So it comes with a card, and the card tells you about the products and gives you the retail value, just like most subscription boxes do. This is a American Influencer Beauty Bundle in collaboration with Bellapierre Cosmetics. I've never heard of Bellapierre Cosmetics, so I'm excited to try them out. The first thing in the box is this Bellapierre matte lipstick, and the shade is Incognito. It's a very pretty shade. This retails for $20, and it is nourishing, formulated with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba, and it lasts for hours, it says. This is what the packaging looks like. Very cute. It's textured on the side. I'm pretty sure that this is a matte lipstick. That's a very pretty color. I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. Oh, that's very creamy. Very pretty. And then the next thing is some banana setting powder. This retails for $35, and it is a color correcting setting powder that has a subtle yellow hue to counteract any redness or discoloration, ideal for setting under eye makeup, spot correcting, or even using as a base shadow. Also great for baking. I don't bake, but thanks for the tip. Comes with a little protector over it, and it's a shaker. So that's nice. I always use setting powder. And then it also comes with a little kabuki brush. Mini kabuki brush. This retails for $20. Super soft, dense brush distributes products evenly and quickly, making it a staple for mineral makeup routines. Can also be used with powder or to blend face makeup for a more natural look. This is a cruelty-free brush. It's nice and soft. Very cute. And then we have a twist up brow pencil, and this is in the color Cocoa, which looks like it would be extremely dark for me. This retails for $20, and it's ultra slim, retractable brow pencil, allows for maximum precision when filling in sparse eyebrows. It is a very thin pencil. So there's the product. I have a feeling that's going to be, that is very, very hard. Okay, there we go. Took me a minute to warm it up on the skin. That might work. I'll give it a try and see. And then the other end has the little spoolie on it. And then the last item in this box is the eyeshadow palette, which is wrapped up very nicely. to keep it from getting damaged. So this is the Bellapierre Ultimate Nudes eyeshadow palette. It has 35 colors in it. This retails for $50. It's 35 buttery smooth color shadows, eyeshadow palettes with a range of matte, satin, shimmer, and foils. It's in a nice cardboard packaging, and the shadow protector is taped on to help keep them safe and keep me out of it, because I cannot get in it. Oh, there we go. It comes with a nice mirror, and then here are the shades. Very pretty palette. I am definitely excited to try this. Shall we swatch a few? There are a few of them that are just calling my... Oh my gosh, they are super soft. Like, I should not have dug in so hard. That's very soft. Look at how pretty that is. Very pretty. I don't think the camera is doing that justice, but that's a very nice shade. That is a shimmer. Alright, let's try another one. I'll go easy this time. Look at how pretty that is. Very pretty. Very pigmented. Of course, you know I have to go into this purple. Look at that. My goodness. Well, that one doesn't seem to be, but of course I'm trying to be easy now because I really dug into the first one. There we go, it's a little bit better. It's a soft purple. This is a glitter. That's pretty. Alright, one more. Let's do this matte. This is like a navy blue. And that one's a little patchy. That one's pretty too. Very pretty shades. So I will enjoy playing with that. So that is the first box, the February-March American Influencer Beauty Bundle. And now let's do the April-May, which is very heavy. And it is full of hair care products. I had not intended on getting the second box. I did not unsubscribe, and depending on what the next box is, I'll decide then once they announce what the next box is going to be. So these hair care products, now I did do a little bit of research on these. These are Authentic Beauty Concept is the name of the company that does these hair care products. And I was quite impressed when I was doing some research about them. They are a holistic premium brand, and on their website, and this is what really impressed me, well, one of the things that impressed me, On their website, they say, "We believe authentic beauty starts the moment you decide to be yourself." And I love that. It's about enhancing natural beauty. And if you have watched any of my videos, you know at the end of every one of my videos, I say that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. So I really love this message that they're spreading out. It's authentic beauty starts the moment you decide to be yourself. These are vegan. They're free from microplastics, mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and it's a cruelty-free brand. So I looked online to see where you could buy these, and they are available at Ulta. They're also available on Amazon. And because I'm so impressed with them, I'll put the links to what I have here in the box down in the description below. So let me tell you about what's in the box now that I've told you all of that. We have, and these are nice size bottles. They weren't chintzy when they gave it to you. This is the Hydrate Cleanser. It's a pleasant cleanser that brings back elasticity and shine to normal to dry or curly hair, leaving hair feeling fresh, not stripped. And this retails for $28. You get 300 mils or 10.1 fluid ounces. And I'm quite excited to try these on my hair. As some of you know, I recently colored my hair, so that smells good. It has a very clean scent to it, not, you know, the heavy perfume scent. The packaging feels really nice too. And then the next thing we have is the Hydrate Conditioner. This is 250 mils or 8.4 fluid ounces. This also retails for $28, and it's a lightweight conditioner, moisturizes normal to dry or curly hair and helps it appeal supple and smooth. So you guys smell this one too. Yeah, they smell really good. I like how fresh and not heavily perfumed they smell. Now I've said that twice. The next item is a Hydrate Mask. It's for dry hair, which I have dry hair. This hydrating mask is an intense yet lightweight treatment that deeply moisturizes while bringing back elasticity and shine. This retails for $38. Look at how thick. That is really thick. And it has that same scent that the other products have. I am so looking forward to trying these. This is 200 mils or 6.7 fluid ounces. Although that didn't look to be very fluid, did it? And then we have Hydrate Lotion. Lightweight lotion fights frizz and helps to protect the hair from blow dry damage. I don't blow dry my hair. I don't like to blow dry my hair. I just feel like it's too damaging. It's extremely rare for me to blow dry. But even though I don't blow dry, I do have frizzy hair sometimes, so this will be nice. This as well as for dry hair. And this is 150 mils or 5 fluid ounces, and it retails for $28, if I didn't already say that. And then the last item in the box is this blow dry primer. It retails for $28, and it's fluid prep mist with protection against blow-dry damage, creates the ideal base for any hairstyle, and provides subtle control with light conditioning. Prime and Style. This is 250 mils or 8.4 fluid ounces. All of the other packaging is white. Oh my God. This does not smell like the rest of it. Oh, that smells so good. Spray bottle. This is like a very, very light pink or cream. It is definitely not the same color, but very nice. I am super excited to try those products out. It's the first time that I have been excited about a product other than makeup in a long time. So thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me open my American Influencer Beauty Bundle boxes. That's a mouthful. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Because authentic beauty starts the moment you decide to be yourself. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher? Authentic beauty starts the moment you decide to be yourself. It's about enhancing natural beauty. And even though you're a boy, son, you have lots of natural beauty. You have a beautiful soul. And I think it's time for you to start being your authentic self. Just be who you want to be. Because your mama loves you either way. I love you, boo.